My name is Rory Meredith and I'm the Director of Digital Strategy and Innovation at Coleg at Cymoedd. We're a further education college supporting over 10,000 learners and 800 staff each year across 4 campuses in the South Wales Valleys, offering a wide range of full and part-time courses from entry to degree level in over 15 curriculum areas. Over the past 4 years, we've been working hard to deliver on Welsh Government's Digital 2030 strategic framework, developing and implementing digital initiatives that meet the Minister for Education and Welsh Languages' 4 priorities to transform digital learning in Wales. So Priority 3 aims to maximise the potential of technology to empower, enthuse and inspire learners, and it was using funding acquired through this category that we began to explore how we could partner with leading innovative technology companies from around the world to introduce new solutions that deliver this for our learners.
My name is Ben Bauer and I'm the founder and CEO at Facilitate. Facilitate was born out of the idea that immersive learning could provide a step change improvement in the impact of learning and training. We built Facilitate as an easy-to-use authoring platform that empowers really any learning designer or training professional to create their own immersive learning content. So much like how e-learning content creators build content specific to their organization's needs, creators using Facilitate develop content that's specific to their procedures, their equipment, locations, and risks. So our tools are used by creators around the world building content as diverse as technical skills development, maintenance training, site inductions and tours, as well as emergency procedures and hazard identification training. We believe that by empowering organizations to become creators of their own content, we're enabling them on a path to cost-effective and scalable experiential content that can really revolutionize the impact of learning and training. We're absolutely thrilled to support and partner with the innovative team at Coleg at Cymoedd. From day one, they've demonstrated their commitment to innovation and are truly trailblazing in what it means to bring the best and most impactful learning content to their students.
Hi, I'm Philip. I'm the Chief Experience Officer at Facilitate, and I look after the product roadmap. So Facilitate's tools are specifically designed to make it easy to create content, to do so quickly and with minimal upskilling. So secondly, learning impact. So we don't only want people to create content easily and fast, but we want them to be able to create content which is effective. And so we've built features specifically which harness the unique power of virtual reality, such as Facilitate's micro simulations, and these are much more effective ways of delivering content. So we believe this will translate into more engaging experience for the learner and therefore better learning outcome overall.
So the Facilitate platform has really given us the chance to expand on the idea of co-creating course resources with learners, working directly with the learners, gaining feedback from them after each session, creating the video resources, the 360 resources, and also the micro simulations with their feedback in mind, taking on board what they've said in lessons, in demonstration sessions when we've gone and tested out these things.
We're looking at how the features of Facilitate, like the questions, the hidden triggers and branching, along with experimenting using AI text to image to generate 360 environments, can help us develop more gamified learning resources.
Doing like theory lessons and stuff, I find it so hard to concentrate on stuff, like just someone talking at you, the information just doesn't really go in. But with the VR, I find it's asking you questions, you get in, you have an involvement in it, and I think it does actually help you learn stuff.
We have to bring these technologies further in. So it's not just about can we introduce technology for the sake of it, it's where is it going to help, where is it appropriate, how can we integrate it and let it reinforce the learning as well. We can bridge the gap between college education and the real world.
In terms of return on investment, Facilitate has been easy to use with its intuitive non-coding platform, highly customizable, enabling us to create truly tailored learning experiences, and cost-effective as we create immersive simulations which are fully compatible with our existing and extensive VR ecosystem. As a vocational-based educational institution, Facilitate enables us to create immersive training simulations related to a wide range of industries and sectors, such as construction, engineering, aerospace, and leisure and tourism.
So looking to the future, we're pretty excited to continue applying these principles with emerging technology, such as artificial intelligence, of course. Here we're already exploring ways we can further speed up and simplify the creation process, whilst at the same time enhancing the learner experiences through more engaging content mediums and more ways to interact with content.
We want to venture beyond our college walls to provide our students with diverse, real-world learning experiences through this new type of immersive content, and ideally to better prepare them for their future careers. We aim to foster cross-college collaboration and develop a more extensive library of VR learning materials. This initiative will particularly be beneficial for Wales-only qualifications, ensuring that students across the region have access to high-quality, engaging content. And finally, we hope to further enhance engagement and creativity by increasing co-creation opportunities for our students. By involving them in the development process of Facilitate and VR learning experiences, we can tap into their unique perspectives and ideas, resulting in more relevant and impactful content that resonates with their peers.